here in your book, there are 2 trousers and 3 shirts, right? See how they have these are the informations we got, and see here is the answer. See, same shirt they have taken and 2 separate trousers they have kept it, and next violet color shirt taken, 2 trousers they have kept it, then pink shirt, 2 trousers. So this data, this is the data, this they have counted, and they compared and processed. This is what the information processing happening. Let us do here, right? See here there is an apple, orange, carrot and cucumber is there. Let me do, right? Apple I will write it as A, orange I will write it as O, and what we have seen, carrot and cucumber. Carrot, CR I will put, cucumber, CU I will write. Okay, so these are the informations we got it in this picture. So I am going to process it. How I will make it? Let me read first. Kavya likes to eat 1 vegetable and 1 fruit in a day. Apples and oranges are her choices among fruits, and carrots and cucumbers are her choices among vegetables. Complete the given table by filling the ways she can eat 1 fruit with 1 vegetable. This is what we have to do. Right? These information we got it, and that was the question, and we have to process it. She may have an apple or any one fruit, 1 vegetable. Let me take it. She may take an apple and carrot, or she may take an apple and cucumber. Right? Similarly, she may take orange or carrot, orange and carrot, orange and cucumber. These are the way she can. We have processed the information which we got, and these are the possibilities. We have imagined these are the possibilities for this information. Right? Similarly, this you can do it. See, there is the colors. Activity 1 you do it in your home. Activity 2 will do. Just you have to fill it. What is there? Fill the white space in the given blocks with the alternate colors and answer the following questions based on it. So alternate colors you have to fill it. So which color you have to fill this side? Here you have to fill green, and here you have to fill pink, and here you have to fill the green. Now the questions. Total number of blocks. How many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? 10 is there. So answer is 10. Next question. Number of rows block. So how many is there? And you are going to fill that also you have to think. 1, 2. Here you will get 1 pink. Right? 3, 4. So answer will be 4. For the second one, get the answer as 4. Now the third one, number of green blocks, how many is there, right? Number of green blocks, you have to fill it here. See, here you will be filling the green here as well as the green displays. So how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you will get answer as 6. Number of pink blocks in 2 and 4th row. So in second row is this one. So 1 I have, and in 4th row pink block. 1, 2 we have. So totally we have 3. So 4th answer will be 3. Then 5th one, how many green more than pink? How many green more than pink? So here you will have a green, and here we will have a green. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pink how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 more than, right? So the answer will be 2. So this way first you color it, okay? You color it, then you try to solve this problem. Next one, next is a number problem. See here, list down all possible way of forming 3-digit numbers by using 4, 5, 7 they have formed it. And they have given few numbers to practice. I will solve this, right? 9, 6, 8 they have solved it. Let me start with a 3, 2, 0. Let me solve the 3, 2, 0. So data we got 3, 2, 0, and we are going to process it. What are the possibility ways of it? So let me start. First one, I may write 3, 2, 0 or 3, 0, 2, right? Then let me take this 2, 2, 3, 0 or 2, 0, 3. Another way you can take 0, 3, 2 or 0, 2, 3. These are the possibilities, you can imagine, right? And we have written it. So these are the possibilities for this 3, 2, 0. Similarly, for 154 you have to solve it. 154, you start with the 1, 154, 145, 514, like that you make it. Okay, next. Find all possible ways of combining three letters A, E, T using each of them once. Right? Let's do that. A, E, T. The information we got is A, E, T. Right. Again, let me start. So I will write A, E, T. This is the way I can write. Otherwise, A, T, E I can write. Then I will take a E and do E, A, T, E, T, A, then T, E, U, T, which we used to drink, right? T, then T, A, E. These are the way we can make it. We have processed the information. Right. Fine, kids. Once again I am repeating, maths is a wonderful subject. Right? Just you need not to mark it up anything. You have to know the concept. So you are processing the information. That's it, right? Whatever we get, any way we can imagine and process. Maths is a wonderful subject. You always remember that. So we will go to the next. See here example. This you have to solve it. It's very simple one, right? With the letters. So you solve it. Next I will go for collection and representation of data. Collection and representation of data. Data. What is this? This is the data. We got apple, orange, carrot, cucumber. What is here? Here also 3, 2, 0. This is the data. And beginning itself I said in this class we have a 3 fans and 2 windows and shelf. I have this shelf, 14 shelf. This is the data for this class. Collection and representation of data. We are collecting the data. We are going to do this data in a pictorial fashion, right? Representation with a picture we are going to do. That is called pictorial representation. That here it is. See here, this train. There are 3 lions and 5 tigers, 3 monkeys, and what is this? 2 elephants and 4 deers. Right. Now the questions we have to answer based on that. This picture with the pictorial representation, we have to answer this and they have solved it. Right. This you can find it very well. We'll move on to the next. This I will solve. Okay. Here they have not solved. So I will solve. The following picture represents the data on fruits sold in a shop. Okay. These are the apples, orange, banana, pineapple. Let me look at the above picture and fill the required data. These are the things which we have to fill. Let me write the data first. How many apples is there? Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So apple I have 9. And oranges I have 5. Then banana I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then pineapple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, right? So let's start answering the question. Name the fruit which was sold more. Which was sold more? See here. Which was sold more? We can see very well, right? It's a banana. So answer for the first one is banana. You can write. Right. And next, name the fruit which is sold less. Check it. Orange. Already they have given the answer. See here. Orange. Second is the orange because it is 5. And third one, find the number of apples sold. How many apples sold? Already we have counted, so it is 9. Then fourth one, write the number of bananas sold. So how many we have counted already? It is 10. So directly we can write. Then final one, what is the difference in the number of pineapples sold and the oranges sold? What is the difference we have to find? So this is pineapple, this is orange. So we have to subtract these two. So what is that? The answer will be 2. Because 5 more than, the 2 more than this thing, orange, because in orange only 5, pineapple it is 7. Fine, this we have solved and you have to practice this. Fine, you practice in your home this one. Let's is on Monday. All these things you have to fill in. Okay. They have given the data and you have to process the information and answer it. The next also you practice it. Drawing conclusion from the represented data. What is the conclusion we are going to get? That's one. Let me read this. The graph below shows the number of children in a school studying in classes 1 to 4 of a school. The number of girls studying in class 1 to 4 of a school are 14, 10, 16, 13 respectively. Draw the graph discussing with your teacher for number of boys studying in class 1 to 4. Okay. So they themselves have represented. See here, girl, boy, girl, boy. So here it is 14. Then how many boys? You can guess. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 girls. And here it is. Next is the 10. Another one is 16. All these things you can easily try. You got the data. And what you have to find is, after completing the pictorial representation, answer the following question. The number of girls in class 2. You have to count it and write. Number of boys. First you verify. Imagine and put. Okay. Imagine and put the boys figures here. Then you have to answer this. Okay kids? Fine. Fine. This is about the information processing. So information about, I will give information about Diwali. Right? Diwali, how many kids are going to purchase the crackers. That's an information. In your street, in your home, you may have a sisters, right? Relatives you have. How many of them are going to purchase the rackets, Bushwanam, lots of things there, Kambi Matab, so many things there. With that also you can make a data, right? Prepare a data and send it in a message form, right? This you have to send. Okay kids, information processing over. Almost we have completed.